In this video, I'm going to show you how to unfollow someone on Facebook. That is quite simple and easy to do, guys, so let's begin. And first, open up your Facebook application and hit here at menu icon. Now there, get into Friends, and there would be two lists of your requests and of your friends. The first one is requests, and to see your friends list, just hit there at your friends. And now you have to find some friend that you want to unfollow to, and there hit on three dots icon beside their friend name, and there hit on unfriend. Also, you can open up the page of that friend, hit here at friends, and there hit on unfriend. Both of these ways will unfriend you from that specific person. That's all about how to unfollow someone on Facebook. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.